I just spent $46.41 to get a new Serpentine belt, and I'm going to install it right now. I'm outside of O'Reilly's Automotive Parts, and I have permission to do this, so we're going to go ahead and get started. So this is actually the Serpentine belt here. You can see what happened. It frayed off the edges here. See this pulley right here is damaged on the edge right there. I'll show you exactly what happened. This is the harmonic balancer. And on a previous episode, I ended up damaging the pulley that we're looking at right now. So while trying to replace this pulley. See that? See all of that? That's not something that was supposed to happen. I'm sorry. So on a previous episode, I was changing out the harmonic balancer and ended up damaging the pulley. So that's the reason why I need to change the Serpentine belt. So the edges are actually frayed, and this is actually what happened. It just shredded on the end. So I'm gonna actually replace this. I have this belt here. Okay, next, you're simply gonna wanna grab the wrench that you take the lug nuts off with, this tire iron wrench, and then basically see right there, it goes right on the bolt and it releases the tension on the Serpentine belt. Then what you want to do next is just remove the belt. Download one of these diagrams to match your car. When reinstalling the belt, the grooves on the belt is going to line up with the grooves on the pulley. Okay, so I almost have the new belt installed. I have everything wrapped around. So as you can see, this belt starts here, goes all the way around, all the way down here, follows all the way down here. So if you have a 2008 Mercedes ML350 or something similar like this, this is the way the belt pulleys go. So it just wraps all the way, where are you going at here? So basically I'm going to take this tire iron, lug nut wrench, see that release? See that releases the tension here? So I'm just going to take the end of this and just simply get that wrapped around there. Make sure the belt is straight and on all of the notches, just centered. Like so this one isn't centered. You just want to pull that back in. And you'll feel it. You'll feel them snap into place. So nothing to really worry about. Release that. Okay. Just remember, I still have to fix this here, but this should be good enough to get everything going. And so I'm gonna just start it up and see how everything looks. Other than that,